Hey guys, it's Danica here from Danica Does It. Joanne's has asked me how I plan on incorporating sewing into my holiday season this year. But first, let's put on something a little bit more seasonally appropriate. As you can see, the first DIY that I have for you guys is a jumpsuit made from quilting cotton from Joanne's holiday cotton section. I think the quilting cotton is some of the most underrated fabric available in Joann's for apparel fabric. So I'd like to take you guys along into a few sewing DIYs that I'm planning for my very first Christmas tree. First, of course, is gonna be the tree skirt. I've never made one before, so I'm thinking of one that has a little bit of faux fur and some pom-poms with it, so I hope it turns out okay. And secondly, and perhaps most importantly, is gonna be the tree topper. Growing up, my dad would hang these huge lanterns in our windows. These were like star lanterns, and he got them from the Philippines. So these star lanterns are called paroles, and I'm hoping to make one of my own as a tree topper to sort of bring my culture and perhaps create a new tradition in my house.
So first step is the DIY pom-pom tree skirt. You're going to cut a square with the diameter of the tree skirt that you want, fold the square twice, aligning the edges, then cut a rounded edge to achieve a circle. Smooth out any rough edges that you might get. You'll then also cut the inner folded corner of the space for the tree, followed by then cutting the radius of the skirt for ease of getting the skirt on and off. Next, fold this edge of the skirt over about 1/2 inch and then stitch down using a zigzag stitch. I set mine to about 5 millimeters. Next, align the pom-pom trim with the edge of the skirt and stitch all the way around using the same zigzag stitch, and then you're all done. You'll probably have some leftover pom-pom trim depending on the diameter of the skirt that you choose. Honestly, this took me about 10 minutes from start to finish, and I love how simple and easy this project is with big impact. Next is the Filipino Parole tree topper. Using the 3/8 inch dowels, cut 10 12-inch long dowels for the stars. Assemble the first star using rubber bands to attach the dowels together, and then repeat this for the second star as well. It's a little bit tricky getting all these dowels together, but be patient. Next, you'll use rubber bands to attach the two stars to each other, creating a front and a back. You're then going to cut small parts of the dowels. Mine are about 3 inches long, and you're going to use these to create spacers to make a more three-dimensional effect to the star. You can super glue these in place to make them a little bit more secure. You're then going to glue layers of the tulle to the star with enough opacity for the light to shine through. Here I used about 3 layers. I chose the red, blue, and yellow because those are the colors of the Philippines flag. Next, you're going to cut around 1/2 inch around the star and glue down the edges of the tulle to the star itself. Repeat for the other side. Once you're done gluing, go ahead and put your star on top of your tree and admire it from afar. You can also add extra tulle to the points of the star for a more dramatic effect.
So happy with how my DIY Christmas tree projects turned out. The Christmas tree skirt was so fun and simple to make, and the Filipino star topper was the perfect addition to make this tree truly my own. I'm so excited to see what all of you guys create this holiday season, and with that, happy holidays and happy making. Bye!